Hello my friends! Today we are going to prepare one of my favorite sauces, Sauce Meurette. It's a red wine sauce served with the garnish of onions, shallot, carrots, bacon lardons and mushrooms. We will begin by preparing the garnish, so start by cutting a carrot into oblique slices. Next, finely dice a shallot. Cut a shallot in half, place one half flat side down and make several fine lengthwise cuts. Then make fine crosswise cuts. Make the same with the onion. Place the halved onion flat side down to keep it stable. Make fine lengthwise cuts while leaving the root intact. Then make even crosswise cuts. Run the knife through the onion with a quick rocking motion to create a fine even dice. To clean the mushrooms, I recommend using a knife and a pastry brush. Far too many people rinse mushrooms under water, but this makes them spongy and prevent them from browning properly during cooking. Start by trimming the end of the stem with a knife and scraping away any particularly earthy areas. Then use the brush to clean both the stem and the cap. Cutting the mushrooms is very simple. Cut each mushroom in half, then cut each half into 2 or 3 pieces depending on its size. Now we are going to cut the smoked pork belly. Begin by removing the rind, which you will keep for cooking the sauce. Then remove the small bone in the middle of the slice and cut the pork belly into lardons. Heat a frying pan over high heat with a drizzle of natural oil. Once the pan is hot, add the mushrooms and let them brown, stirring them regularly. The aim is to evaporate their natural moisture and give them a beautiful golden brown color. In a hot saucepan, add the lardons and strips of pork rind with a little oil and allow them to brown. Once the lardons have released some of their fat, add the finely diced onion and shallot and stir. Let them soften for a few seconds, then add the carrots. Add the red wine and 1 tablespoon of sugar to soften the wine's acidity. Add the veal stock and cook over medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of potato starch with 2 ladlefuls of sauce. Whisk vigorously to prevent lumps from forming. Pour this mixture back into the sauce to thicken it, then stir vigorously over the heat. Add the mushrooms, cover and cook for approximately 30 minutes. Do not forget to add 1 bay leaf and 1 sprig of thyme. And there you have it, your sauce is ready. Look at how beautiful it is, smooth, glossy and thick, enough to coat the back of a spoon. It is now time to plate the dish. Place the slices of toast lightly rubbed with a clove of garlic at the bottom of the plate. Place the poached eggs on the top. Then generously cover them with a delicious sauce meurette. Sprinkle with chopped parsley to add a touch of color and extra flavor. And now it's time to taste. Believe me, you're gonna love it. Et bon appétit!